అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ nth term of GP. nth term of GP. So what is the nth term of GP? An is equal a into r power n minus 1. An is equal a into r power n minus 1, where a is equal first term, r is equal common ratio, n means turn, number of turns. So last topic, very important, nth term of GP. An is equal a into r power n minus 1, where a is equal first term, r equal common ratio, n equal number of turns. So write down some examples is there. Directly write a 10th term. How to write? A into r power 9. A into r power 9. A into r power 10 minus 1 means 9. A5. How to write? A into r power 4. A6. How to write? A into r power 5. Okay. Directly write some cases using. Okay. Write down. Write down question. Example. Write down question. Okay. Find the 20th term and 9th term of the GP 5/2, 5/4, 5/8. Given series. Five by 2, 5/4, 5/8 and so on are in already GP. So taking the first term, a is equal 5/2. Next, to find common ratio, first term a1, a2, a3. a2 divided by a1, common ratio. So main fraction this one. So 5/4 whole divided by 5/2. 5/4, the fraction is reciprocal, 2/5. 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. How much? 1/2. What is the find out? 20th and nth term. 20th term find out. So first you have to find nth term. Nth term of GP. Nth term of GP. First find out. An is equal a into r power n minus 1. What is the value of a? A means first term. How much? 5/2. A value 5/2. Common ratio how much? 1/2. Common ratio 1/2. Whole power n is same as it is n minus 1. Okay. Some simplification. Write down first these steps. Write down. Next, carefully observe the steps. 5/2 into 1/2 whole power n minus 1. So what is, please observe this formula. A power m minus n. How to write? A power m by b power n. So a power m by so a is, but ఇక్కడ a is different. 1 minute. Okay. A power m by a power n is equal a power m minus n, where a place లో ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది? 1/2 ఉంది. A place లో 1/2 ఉంది. సో 1/2 whole power m place లో n ఉంది, n place లో 1 ఉంది. సో రివర్స్ రాస్తున్నా. రివర్స్ 1/2 m place లో ఏముంది? n ఉంది. n place లో 1 ఉంది. m place లో ఏముంది? n ఉంది. n place లో 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 1/2 whole power n divided by 1/2 whole power 1. Right one? 5/2 into 1/2 whole power n whole divided by 1/2. Whole power 1 means 1. So 5/2 into 1/2 whole power n into fraction is reversed, 2 by 1. 1 by 2 whole power 1 and 1 by 2 fraction reverse, 2 to cancel, 5 into a by b whole power m form లో ఉంది మళ్ళీ a power m divided by b power n. సో అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 1 by 2 whole power n ఉంది కనుక ఇక్కడ 1 power n by 2 power n. 1 power n means 1, so 1 by 2 power n direct right. 1 by 2 power n. 5 1 ja 5. 5 by 2 power n. What is nth term of GP? What is the find out next? 20th term of GP. Directly right. A20 is equal 5 by 2 power 20. Directly right. Just n value substitute. N value substitute 25 divided by 2 power 10. Directly right answer. Okay. Right on. This is the rough work. Right on. Next problem. Next, very most important. Which term of the GP 2 comma 2 root 2 4 and so on is 128? So very important. So the word what is meaning? Which term? Term అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? Find the value of n. Find out చేయాలి. సో ఆల్రెడీ జీపీలో ఉన్నాయంట. విచ్ టర్మ్కు 128 అవుతుంది అంటున్నాం. సో వాట్ ఈస్ 128? లాస్ట్ టర్మ్. సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం బట్ దిస్ ఈస్ జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. సో గివెన్ జీపీ సిరీస్ 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 and so on 128. So A1 means A, A2, A3. Okay. So first term A is equal A1 2. Common ratio R is equal A2 divided by A1. 2 root 2 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja. Common ratio is root 2. Root 2 how to write? Root 2 is equal 2 power 1 by 2 also taking the right. So గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి యూజ్ చేస్తాం. Taking last term in GP. Last term is equal 128. Last term in GP. AN equal to 128. AN means A into R power n minus 1 is equal 128. In case AP series A plus n minus 1 into D యూజ్ చేసినాం. ఇప్పుడు GP series కనుక A into R power n minus 1 equal to 128. What is the value of A is equal to into how much R value? Root 2 whole power n minus 1 is equal 128. So 2 into is transposing right side division. Root 2 whole power n minus 1 is equal 128 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8. Root 2 how to write in this step? 2 power 1 by 2. 2 power 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. How to write? 2. Root 2 means 2 power 1 by 2 is written as. So 64 by 1 64. 2 power 1 into n minus 1. What is the formula? A power m whole power m. A power m into n. Actual formula 1 into n minus 1 n minus 1 by 2. So this step simplification 1 by 2 into n minus 1 and meaning m into n. A power. So power line like 1. 1 into n minus 1 n minus 1 divided by 2 1 ja 2. So rightly right step 1 into n minus 1 n minus 1 division by 2 is equal. How to write 64 into power 2? Power 2 వచ్చేటట్టు ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? Write down the 3 steps in roughly. రఫ్గా రాసుకోండి. ఈ 3 steps రఫ్ చేస్తున్నాను. So 64 is termination factors. 2 3 ja 2 2 ja 4. 2 16 ja 2 8 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja. How many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 power 6 is written as 2 power 6. So what is observed? Base power. If bases are equal, then powers are equal. So write down, next step continues, write down this one. So if bases are equal, then powers equal. N minus 1 divided by 2 is equal 6. N minus 1, division is transposing, right side multiplication. N minus 1 equal to 6, 6 2 jar 12, n equal to 12 plus 1, n equal to 13. So hence last term 128 is the 13th term of GP. 13th term of GP. Okay. So write down. Very, very important. Next problem. Write down next problem. Very important is also example problem. In a GP, the third term is 24 and sixth term is 192. Find the 10th term. So please observe. Write down question first and two conditions is given. First, third term already in GP. In GP, condition 1, third term is equal to 24. Condition number 1. Condition number 2, sixth term is 192. Sixth term is equal 192 in GP series. Okay. What is the third term? What is the nth term? For example, nth term equal to a into r power n minus 1. In the given third term, and a3 is equal to a into r power 3 minus 1, a into r square. Directly write the step. So already chepna. So third term antane a3 equal to 24. Directly write a into r square is equal to 24. Equation number 1. Number 2. Sixth term, how to write? Next we substitute 6. a6 equal to a into r power n minus 1. 6 minus 1. Directly write step a into r power 5. So a6 equal to 192. A into r power 5 is equal to 192. Equation number 2. Same. Please observe. So this is a rough. So what is the find out next? Find the 10th term. 10th term means directly write a10 equal to a into r power 10 minus 1, a into r power 9. 10 minus 1 అంటే ఏ వాల్యూ తెలియాలి ఇక్కడ, ఆర్ వాల్యూ అంటే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, కామన్ రేషియో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి 10th టర్మ్ ఏ ఆర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఎనఫ్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ 2 divided by 1 we get a into r power 5 divided by a into r square is equal 192 by 24. So a cancel. How many 5? R is 5 unnai, R is 2 unnai. How many cancel? R power 5 means 5 R's unnai. R square means R లో 2 ఉన్నాయి, క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే 3 మిగులుతాయి అంటే R క్యూబ్. సో 12 టేబుల్తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. 12 2 జా 24, 12 1 జా 12, 7 is there, 12 6 జా 7, 12 8 జా 72, 72, 12 9 జా. So please observe, 12 1 జా 12, so 12 6 are 72. Okay, 12 1 are 12, 19 లో 12 subtract అవుతే 7 is there, 72, 12 6 are 72. So 12 1 are 12, so remainder is 7, 7 and 2 72, 12 6 are 72. Next 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16. 8 divided by 1 means 8. R cube is equal, how to write 8? Write on 2 cube. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. So if powers are equal, then bases are also equal. So R is equal to So both side powers కూడా ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి క్యూబ్ క్యూబ్. So r equal to, so write down these steps. Next r value substitute any equation, so no problem. I have r equal to substituting in equation number 1. Next step, write down. Next continue step. So substitute, what is the r value substitute? A into 2 square equal to 24. How much value? R value substitute. A square value 4 is equal 24. A into 4. A is transposing division. 4 1 ja 4 6 ja 24. A is equal 6. What is the find out? To find 10th term of GP. To find 10th term of GP means A10. A10 how to write? A into R power 9. A value how much? 6. R value how much? 2 power 9. Okay, write down. 6 into 2 power 9. 6 into 2 power 9. 6 into 2 power 9 value 5 12. 6,000. 6 2 ja 12. 6 1 ja 6 7. 6 5 ja 30. 3072. That is the value. A10 value 3072. Write down. So it has 2 power 9 value 5 12. Okay. So 2 power 9 means 2 into 2 into 2 up to 9 times. Next problem, exercise problems. Exercise 6.5. For each geometric progression, find the common ratio R and then find AN. Write down first problem. 3 comma 3 by 2 3 by 4 3 by 8. Just find each geometric progression, common ratio R find out and AN find out, and the last term or nth term is find out. Find each geometric progression, find the common ratio R and then find AN. AN means nth term. Find common ratio. So this is what A1, A2, A3, A4. First term, that is called A equal to first term. So as for A equal to A1, that is 3. Common ratio. R is equal A2 divided by A1. A2 how much? 3 by 2. Whole divided by the main fraction. 3 by 2 is equal straight on main fraction by 3. 3 how to write? 3 by 1. So all are fractions. So to convert all are fraction means 3 by 1 is a fraction. 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8. So written as 3 by 1. So next step. 3 by 2 into 1 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. 1 into 1 1 divided by 2 1 ja 2. So common ratio R is equal 1 by 2. Find AN. Nth term. Nth term of GB. That is meaning next AN. AN is equal A into R power n minus 1. How much? A value 3. So R value 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. N is not substitute the value. No. N is not taken. Okay. A into R power n minus 1. A value 3 into 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. 3 same term is there. Even ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది ఇక్కడ కూడా 3 ఉందా? లేదు. So write down directly step. An equal to 3 into 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. Write down. Next problem. Write down next problem. Second problem, write down. 2 comma minus 6, 18 minus 54 and so on. First write down question. Okay, first term A1 2, A2 minus 3, A3 minus 18, A4 minus 54. First term 2 common ratio A2 divided by A1. A2 how much? Minus 6 divided by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So minus 3 by 1 means minus 3. Common ratio R is equal minus 3. Find nth term an equal to a into r power n minus 1. An value of a 2 3. How much r value? Minus 3 whole power n minus 1. 2 into minus 3 whole power n minus 1. Write down. Next, third problem. Next, write down third problem. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 27 and so on. A1 minus 9, A2 minus 3, A3 minus 9, A4 minus 27. The first term A equal to minus 1, common ratio R equal to A2 by A1. A2 value minus 3 divided by A1 value minus 1. Minus minus cancel. 3 divided by 1, 3. R value how much? 3. Find the nth term of GP. An equal to A into R power n minus 1. An is equal A value how much? Minus 1 into 3. R value 3 whole power n minus 1. Write down. Next problem. Write down fourth problem. Write down only fourth problem. 5 comma 2 comma 4 by 5, 8 by 25 and so on. So this is the first term A1, A2, A3, A4. What is the first term? A1 equal to A. A is the first term. 5. Common ratio simply A2 value 2 divided by A1 value 5. 2 divided by 5. 2 by 5. Nth term of GP An equal to A into R power n minus 1. How much A value? 5 into R value 2 by 5. R value 2 by 5 whole power n minus 1. So n value n minus 1. This is a simplification. Is there 5? Is there 5? Okay. So write down no problem. ఇలా వదిలేసిన కూడా no problem. లేదు అదర్వైజ్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే 2 by 5 whole power n divided by 2 by 5. ఇంత ముందు రాసినాం. A power m minus n. A power m by A power n. 5 into 2 by 5. Fraction is reverse. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ fraction. 5 into 2 power n by 5 power n. 5 by 2. Okay. 5 square అవుతుంది. 5 square into ఇక్కడ 5 power n పైకి వస్తే minus n. 2 power n into 2 power minus 1. So directly write step 5 power 2 minus n into 2 power n minus 1. ఇలా రాయడం కూడా కరెక్ట్. Okay, this is a simply way method. Okay, write down. An. Write down next problem. Next, find, write down question. Find 10th and nth term of GP, 5, 25, 125 and so on. Repeated problem. Example problem also there. Find 10th term is A into R power 9. అంటే nth term means find out చేయాలి. So A R find out చేయొచ్చు. Given GP series 5, 25, 125 and so on. First term A is equal to 5, common ratio A2 by A1. A2 value 25 divided by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. So 5 by 1 means 5. R is equal to 5. So first find out nth term of GP. An. A into R power n minus 1. A value how much? 5. R value also 5. Simplification important. Okay. A 5 is written as 5 power 1. whole power n minus 1. What is the formula? A power m into a power n. A power m plus n. But m place lo 1 undi, n place lo n minus 1 undi. Please observe. 5 power 1 plus n minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 5 power n. That is a an. Nth term 5 power n. Next you have to find out directly 10th term of GP. Next line. 10th term of GP. So simply A10 equal to just a 10 value substitute. 5 power 10. That is the answer. Okay. So E step kinda E step right. Okay. Write down. Next problem. Third problem, write down. Find the indicated term of the each geometric progression. Write down first problem. A1 equal 9, R equal to 1 by 3. Find A7. In GP, geometric progression lo indicated terms. Ichina terms lo A1 9, R equal to 1 by 3. Find A7. A1 means A, first term. R means 1 by 3. Find A7. So rightly direct. Nth term means A into R power n minus 1. Seventh term is A7. A into R power 7 minus 1. Directly write A into R power 6. That is the formula. A into R power 6. A value 9. R value 1 by 3 whole power 6. 9 into, sorry, okay, no problem. 1 power 6 by 3 power 6. 1 power 6 by 3 power 6. A7. A7. 9 is written as 3 square. So 1 power 6 ante ikkada 1 3 power 6. A by B whole power m. A power m by B power n. So what is the formula? 1 by A power n. A power minus n. So 3 power minus 6. What is the formula? A power m into A power n. A power m plus n. But n place lo emundi ikkada minus undi kabatti ikkada kuda minus vachestundi. So 3 power 2 minus 6. That is A7. Last step. A7 is equal to 3 power minus 4. So which formula? A power minus n. 1 by A power n. A7 is equal to 1 by 3 power 4. This is the answer. First write down these steps. A7. A value 9 into 1 by 3 whole power 6. 9 into 1 power 6, 1 by 3 power 6. 1. 9 is written as 3 square. 3 into 3, 9. Into 3 power minus 6, how to write? So, you can directly write 1 by A power n formula will be applied. 1 by A power n. A power minus n. 3 power minus 6. So, if bases are same, the powers are added, but n value is minus 6 40, 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6, big number symbol, minus 4. Malli written as formula, A power minus n. 1 by A power n. A7 equal to 1 by 3 power 4. So how to write 1 by 3 power 4 means 1 by 81. This is the value. So 3 power 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9. 9 3 ja 27. 27 3 ja 81. Okay? Write down. First ఇంతవరకు రాసి ఇక్కడ నుంచి కంటిన్యూ చేయండి. దిస్ ఇస్ అ రఫ్ అంటే రఫ్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో రఫ్. జస్ట్ రైట్గా రాసుకుంటే ఈజీగా అండర్స్టాండ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టెప్స్. ఈ స్టెప్స్ తర్వాత ఈ స్టెప్స్ రావాలి. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Okay, A1 equal to minus 12, R equal to 1 by 3, find A6. A6 means AN formula. A into R power n minus 1. A6. A into R power 6 minus 1. A into R power 5. Directly write the formula. A into R power 5. First term A1 equal to A minus 12. R equal to 1 by 3. So, find sixth term. A6 equal to A into R power 5. A value minus 12. r value 1 by 3 whole power 5. Okay, minus 12 into 1 power 5 1 into 3 power 5. So directly write minus 3 into 4 into 1 by 3 power 5. సో ఇక్కడ 3 1 is there, ఇక్కడ 4 is there. ఓకే 3 ఇక్కడ 5 ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉన్నాయి. సో ఎన్ని మిగులుతాయి ఇక్కడ 4 by 3 power 4. సో రిటర్న్ యాజ్ 4 into 3 power minus 4. ఓకే రైట్. ఓకే సో మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తాను చూడండి స్టెప్స్. minus 12, how to write? 4 into 3 minus 4 into 3 1 by 3 power 5 written as 3 into 3 power 4. So 3 మొత్తం 5 ఉన్నాయి, 1 plus 4 5, 1 3 1 3 cancel, minus 1 into 4 minus 4 divided by 3 power 4. So simply ఇది a6 how much? Minus 4 by 3 power 4 is correct, or a6 equal minus 4 by already 3 power 4 value 81. ఇది రాసిన కరెక్టే, ఇది రాసిన కరెక్టే. So this is the textbook answer. Next problem.